Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix keeps turning down the volume in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and then turn off your media volume. After turn off your media volume, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and then in last you can see the option erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device, like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After click on erase all the data, now enter your password to erase all the data. After erase all the data, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.